Kentner here today. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing great. Today we're going to do some DIY stuff. Try to show you how to I can't talk today. Vinyl wrap your key fob and your Cobb accessport face. So let's jump into it. Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to personalize your keychain and your Cobb accessport face. Just simple, like $2.50. And like I said, you can pick any color you want and it's cheap. It just takes a little bit of time. Instead of buying a $25 just accessport face that's just a standard color, and that way it can more match maybe your color theme you're going for, or just exactly what you want. Alright guys, the first thing you're going to do is just measure how big your keychain is, and then you'll just cut a little slab for it, or 2 pieces for each side for it. And you just make sure it's big enough. We're actually going to take this ring off, make it a little bit easier on ourselves. And you probably want to take some alcohol and just wipe this down. Make sure it's a real good clean surface. And the main reason I wrap it is because for some reason this gets all over everything, and it makes like a chrome look on all your keys. And just it'll protect this too, so it kind of works both ways. Take this and unpeel that, and then you'll get a little bit of overhang on the edges. And just make sure you got enough overhang to cover the whole thing. And then you'll pull pretty hard on it just to try to get enough. This is called code pre-stretch, because you don't want to heat it and do that, because it'll shrink and then it'll leave like fingers and not look that great like the next day. Alright guys, and then when you have it all stretched out and all the bubbles out, or everything looks smooth, all you're going to do is take your thumbnail and crease the lines. And when you go to cut, I would cut here first, because if you don't, you lose your line as you're cutting around. Alright, and you just take where you got the crease, just cut along that crease, and just take your time, and like I said, start your cuts in these corners. Just do half of this one, and then do half of this one, and then it'll follow that groove really easy. Alright guys, and then after you get your cut, just tuck that vinyl in. And then you just repeat on the other side. Pretty simple, and just like I said, it's just that way you can personalize it. Alright guys, and this is the finished product. Looks pretty cool. I'm happy with it. And like, I'm not the best rapper. I just watched some videos and kind of figured out how to do it. And like I said, it just take a little time. And like, the vinyl's not that expensive, so just take your time and you can figure it out. It's not that bad. Alright, well, let's get on to the access port face, which I think this is going to be a little difficult. Alright, like I said, you just match your vinyl. And the vinyl is not very expensive either. So, I think, like I said, this sheet was like $3. Pull your backing paper off. Just line it up. And this stuff's very pliable, so I mean, you can take it off and put it back on a bunch. And like I said, I'm not a professional at this. I'm just giving it a go. This one ain't gonna be too bad at all, I don't think. Probably the cutting's gonna be the hardest part. Alright guys, I skipped ahead a couple steps, but all you're going to do is take your knife and then run it along that edge, and then when you do, just tuck the material under, and it'll get it looking pretty good. Alright, we're going to cut out the edge of this, and what we're going to do is we're going to leave a little bit of material, that way we can tuck it over, and it'll look a little cleaner. Starting to look like an access port cover. Alright. Like I said, you'll just push the excess over. And actually, this ain't been that bad at all. Alright. And then now we'll just trim the rest of this and we will be done, and I'll go grab my access port and throw it on there. Alright guys, I got it done. I'm gonna go grab my access port and I'll put the face on. Alright guys, this is the finished product, and I'm happy with it. It matches the color on my Volks pretty good. And there's the keychain. So, like I said, it's just something you can do yourself and pick whatever color you want, and you know, personalize it. and I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but you can do it. And it helps just on the back side of this, if you lay it over and just cut on this edge, but just be very careful. Not when it's on the access port, but when the face is off. But yeah, I'm happy with it. But like I said, just a cool little project, and it's a little time consuming, but pays off, and you don't have to spend 25 bucks just to get a faceplate. Alright, you guys take it easy. Alright guys, as always, it's been fun. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a comment below, thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And once again, thank all y'all for watching the videos. Hit me up on Facebook and Instagram. That's been awesome. And if y'all need any help with y'all's projects or any information, like I said, just hit me up. I'm not sure how the next 2 weeks of videos go. I am going to Germany for 2 weeks. I'll be over there the 16th through the 30th. I'm going to try out the Nürburgring and have a fun time. Maybe try to hit Spa and the Hockenheimring. But as always, guys, like I said, thanks for the support. If y'all have any videos y'all would like to see me do, or any information y'all need as far as Subarus, like I said, I did work on LS's, Mitsubishis, whatever. I'll probably be trying to get more different brand cars in the videos, but my main car is a Subaru, and that's what I do like the best. But I think while I'm in Germany, I think I'm going to run a GTR and go around the Nürburgring, and hopefully have some video of that for you guys. And I just can't wait. Like, it's going to be awesome. I played drove the Nürburgring in all video games, Gran Turismo, Forza, and heck, I bet y'all guys know it's going to be cool. So y'all have a good day. Like I said, it's been fun as always, and so I'll try to get a video for next week, like to preload while I'm gone, but I don't know how it'll work, so it might be another 2 weeks without videos. But if it is, I'm sorry. As soon as I get back, I'll get back on them, but I gotta take a vacation. I need a break. But y'all guys have a good day. It's been fun. Take it easy.